My name is Dr. Lewis. I am a psychiatrist at anxiety.pw. This anxiety clinic is one of the biggest online psychiatric clinics in the United States. Let's talk about the role of genetics in anxiety susceptibility. Genetics plays a significant role in determining an individual's susceptibility to anxiety disorders. Research has shown that a hereditary component contributes to the development of anxiety-related conditions. Family, twin, and adoption studies have all pointed to a heritability factor in anxiety susceptibility. Specifically, variations in certain genes have been linked to an increased vulnerability to anxiety. Genes that influence the regulation of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, play a crucial role. These neurotransmitters are key players in mood regulation and stress responses. Genetic mutations or alterations in the expression of genes related to neurotransmitter function can disrupt the balance, leading to an increased likelihood of anxiety disorders. The COMT gene, for instance, encodes an enzyme that breaks down neurotransmitters like dopamine. Certain variations of this gene can lead to higher levels of dopamine, potentially heightening the response to stressors and increasing anxiety. Similarly, variations in the SLC6A4 gene, which regulates serotonin transport, have been associated with a higher risk of anxiety disorders due to imbalances in serotonin levels. Moreover, genes involved in the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, the body's central stress response system, also contribute to anxiety susceptibility. Variations in genes that regulate cortisol production and its receptors can impact an individual's ability to manage stress, potentially increasing the risk of anxiety disorders. It is important to note that genetics alone do not determine the development of anxiety disorders. Environmental factors, life experiences, and individual coping mechanisms also play vital roles. Gene-environment interactions are increasingly recognized as contributors to anxiety susceptibility. Traumatic experiences or chronic stress can trigger the expression of anxiety-related genes in genetically susceptible individuals, leading to the manifestation of anxiety disorders. In conclusion, genetics play a pivotal role in anxiety susceptibility. Variations in genes related to neurotransmitter function, stress response systems, and gene-environment interactions collectively contribute to an individual's predisposition to anxiety disorders. While genetic factors are influential, they interact with environmental factors in complex ways, emphasizing the importance of a holistic understanding of anxiety's origins. For updates on anxiety topics, please subscribe to our channel. To make an appointment, please schedule your appointment on anxiety.pw.